YouTube, what is going on? Today we are going to be launching my new Seadoo Spark. I'm super excited about it. I haven't seen a lot of YouTube videos of people really explaining what the Seadoo Spark does and videos of it on the water, getting it launched, showing the details of it up close. So this video is all about the Seadoo Spark 3-up model. I got a GoPro with a chest mount, a 360 camera, so I'm trying to give you guys a whole dynamic of what it looks like on the water. So first I'm gonna show you guys what the jet ski looks like. I'm gonna launch it, drive around a little bit, and then I'm also, one of my biggest dreams is just to dock up on the beach and drink a beer and soak up all the beauty of a beach. You know, the sand, the water, and just sit back and relax and enjoy the beach. So we got a lot to do today, and I can't wait to take you guys with me. We out on the deep blue sea out in Maryland, so it's a little bit choppy today, but the water's still kind of calm, so we gonna do the damn thing, man. You already know what time it is, baby. Let's get it. Uh-oh, there she goes right there. Let's see what she looks like, baby. Oh, she's looking beautiful. There she goes. And here she goes. So beautiful. So beautiful. This is the 3-up model. I am so pumped to put this thing on the water. Now, one thing I don't like about the Seadoo Spark, even though I love it, is my phone doesn't fit in this. This is actually really small. I gotta figure out, I might bring a fanny pack or something like that to put it in there. There's not a lot of space up there, but this one definitely did come with a front storage bin, which is not that. I haven't seen a YouTube video where it shows the size of the storage bin. So, boom. It's about yay big. You know what I'm saying? Here's my hand, I got pretty big hands. Puts a couple things in there, you know what I mean? And then you put these straps basically to strap them up, and it locks it up. This is a lot of space. Usually I'm gonna probably tie a backpack right here to make sure everything is good, you know, tie a backpack when I'm hauling stuff. But I heard you gotta be careful with hauling stuff though, because these things can roll over. And I'm allergic to salt water if you guys don't know, so that's actually one thing I'm nervous about. But in order to get this up, you pull it off and push it out. And then this slides right off. And it's supposed to be a little fire hydrant right here. Put the gas in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up so you can hear the engine. But here's the key. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, where it's a full tank. Got this thing filled up. 0 miles per hour in touring mode. You know, as soon as we put it in, I'm going straight to sport mode. And let's go hear this engine roar, baby. All right, so we got the Seadoo Spark right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start the engine for you guys so you can hear how loud it is. Like I said, I'm not gonna keep it on too long because I wanna make sure that it's not on too long, not in the water, because you're not supposed to do that. But let's go ahead and hear this thing roar. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Woo. Thing is loud. Man, I'm ready to take this thing on the water. How about y'all? Let's get it, man. Let's go! All right, so we got a Corona and a Miller Lite and some waters with some ice on top. Oh, I guess I gotta add this part in there. Drink responsibly. Now I got my Hick shades on. Ain't nothing but time, baby. Let's get this thing in the water, baby. Let's go, man. All right, so we got the ski on the back. It's a 2-man job, so I got a great friend with me, my grandfather. So we're gonna go ahead and launch this thing. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's in the back. We're gonna ride this thing over to the point and drop it off. So let's go. All right, y'all, so we made it. It's mad windy out here, but we're gonna go ahead and load this thing up and drop it in the water. Let's get it. As you can see, we are locked and loaded. It's time to take this bad boy out. All right, y'all, we live in effect. I'm in touring mode right now, but as you can see, this thing gets up. It's a little choppy out here today, but we here. Woo, this thing kicks up, baby. Oh, and this thing is fast. I am flying on here. Oh yeah, this thing is fast. This ain't even in sports mode yet. Welcome to the jet ski life. Now I'm about to go on tour for a little bit and kind of see what the hype is about. I want to have fun on this thing. So I'm gonna hook up my GoPro and we're gonna have fun. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I just docked up. I'm about to take it for a spin, and you guys can kind of just see me freestyling a little bit. I'm saying I already got wet, so I'll talk to the eczema doctor tomorrow, but we're gonna see what's up with it. That's how you do it right there, baby. You know what time it is, man. Sorry if I got you guys wet. That was an accident. Hey, y'all, so far, I've had a lot of fun riding this jet ski. Some positive things about it. I didn't know it was gonna be this fast. I'm thinking it was kind of like the basic models, 90 horsepower, but this thing actually gets up to speed, especially if you go into sports mode, which I went into sports mode a little bit, so I was flowing. As you can see, like, it picks up. This thing definitely picks up. I'm about to dock up on the beach and crack a beer. And as you can see, the beach is right over there. Let me show you. Woo. Yes, sir, we're here. We made it to the beach. Pull it right up on the beach. All right, y'all, so we made it to the beach. It's now time to crack open one of my favorite beers of all time. Corona Extra. Ain't nothing better than a beer and the beach, bro. So, while I drink this beer, let's talk a little bit about the jet ski. So the jet ski, like I told you guys, it goes way faster than I thought it was gonna go because it's a Seadoo Spark. But the jet ski is awesome. Like, it's awesome. Now, as you can see, I'm soaking wet. My thighs are wet, so I might break out. But at this point, I could care less. I just wanna honestly just soak up the nice views of being on the beach and accomplishing this. So as you guys know, I was able to buy this jet ski from the channel that I started on Instagram from making cooking videos. So it's just so humbling how much social media could just open up doors. I'm just really appreciative of the people I've met, the companies I've been around, and this moment right here is just me just soaking up all the greatness that I'm just so blessed to be able to do this. And if I could do it, you guys can too, man. Just keep sticking to it and keep being that person that you're meant to be in life, bro. Find your purpose first. But as far as the jet ski model, as you can see, it's docked up pretty nice here on the beach. But that's enough of me talking. Let me just enjoy these views, sit back and relax and soak this all in. Let's get it, baby. All right, so after I enjoyed my thoughts in this beer, it's time to go take this bad boy back out on the water and see what else we can get into. I'm gonna take you guys exploring a little bit. I'm so pumped, y'all. I don't know about y'all. All right, y'all, so this is obviously just an intro to my YouTube channel. As you guys know, I'm active on Instagram and I built a crazy amount of following, but I kind of want to move it to YouTube because I want to do vlogs and stuff like that. If you can support, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment. I got so much more videos coming for you guys soon. So I'm about to push the jet ski back out. We're gonna go explore a little bit more. I'm gonna show you guys around the river too, because I feel like, you know what I mean, you guys should see around the river. This thing is beautiful. You know what I mean? Just walking with my new little jet ski slides. Uh-oh, look y'all, we found a little bitty crab. This is a Maryland crab that is probably just died. There's gonna be plenty more where these came from. It's a little Maryland crab right here. Rest in peace. But there'll be plenty of more where these came from. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we had so much fun on the Seadoo Spark. This thing gets up, it's in sport mode right now. I'm gonna take it on one last drive before I get the 360 camera out. Yo, I am extremely impressed. The thing I love about the Seadoo Spark is they're not that expensive. So if you're on a budget and you want a personal watercraft that's cheap and affordable, the Seadoo Spark is definitely there for you. Now today it's a little choppy. I prefer it to be like a flat glass water, so that way, you know, you can just ride and I can go out super far. But my first day riding it, the water was super choppy, but as you can see from the GoPro footage, I had a lot of fun. I might have to visit my dermatologist soon because I got super wet, but it is what it is. I had an awesome time, so let me show you guys a breakdown of, you know what I mean, what it is, baby. Full speed. This is full speed right here. As you can see, it gets up in sport mode. Speed kicks up. So I'm about to attach my GoPro so you guys can see some live action of me hitting the waves and stuff like that. I'm gonna put the chest mount on. YouTube, so I switched the sunshades up. It's been an awesome day on the water. It is now sunset, so I'm about to just enjoy the sunset, kick back, listen to some music, and just lay down on the back of it. It's been a long day. I am burnt out, I am tired. So if y'all are on a budget with a jet ski, make sure you guys cop this joint because it is absolutely amazing. So today we just launched that Seadoo Spark. I had so much fun on the water with it. Stay tuned to my YouTube page because we got crab catching videos, fishing videos, beach cooks, all types of stuff. Food cooks up there when it comes to grilling, stoving, fire pitting, all that stuff. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I got way more jet ski content for you guys. So if you loved what you see today, it'll be a great support. And make sure you guys follow my Instagram, grubwithjus, GRUBWITHJUS. And if you're on the diet, don't follow my Instagram because you're gonna get a big back. But if you're not on a diet and you wanna eat, make sure you follow it. We got so much more content coming soon. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. You already know what time it is, baby. Let's get it.